Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with BITZ. Let's take a look at BitBitz and BitClicks today. Get started by signing up with your Faucet Pay email and logging in. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard on the left side. At the top of your screen is your dashboard menu. You have your View Surf Ads, Shortlinks and Offer wall up here. Click on Earn More. Select Faucet from the pop-down menu. Select Claim Reward and solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of your screen. Once you've completed the CAPTCHA, collect your reward. The faucet timer should reset. Great! Okay, now go back to the top of your screen and select View Surf Ads. Click on one of the window ads and visit the web page until the timer runs out. Make sure you click through all of the surf ads. The more ads you watch, the more advertising points you get. Once you've completed the CAPTCHA, collect your reward. Great! There are over 30 ads to watch. You should hurry up and get to work. Okay, now select Earn More and click on Timer Faucet. This faucet auto-claims every minute. When you want to withdraw, go back to your home screen and select Withdraw. It's the green tab in the middle. Choose your coin. Put in your Faucet Pay wallet, and withdraw to Faucet Pay. When you are done, go back to Faucet Pay and check to make sure your payment has been received and your balance is updated. Excellent. Now let's move on to BitBitz. Get started by signing up with your Faucet Pay email and logging in. This is your home page. Your dashboard is at the top. And your main balance is located in the center. The withdrawal button is located here as well. Now go back to the top of your screen and click on Faucet. This faucet has a 15-minute timer. Select the blue tab in the middle of the screen and solve the CAPTCHA. Collect your coins and check your balance to make sure it's updated. Perfect, now go back to the top of your screen and select the PTC section on the dashboard. Select a window or iframe ad and stay on the website until the timer runs out. Claim your reward. It's that easy. Okay, go back to the top of your screen and select Dashboard. Select the Withdraw tab in the center of your homepage. I am going to withdraw Pepe to my C wallet. Once you have completed your withdrawal, go to your C wallet and check to make sure your withdrawal has been deposited. If you don't have a C wallet, you can sign up by clicking on the link in the description below. As you can see, my Pepe has been instantly deposited. Have fun earning. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.